So friends, yesterday we have seen that how to install Java 11 in your system. You have seen that, and we can have multiple instances of Java we can have in your system. It's not going to be upgrade. Previous version will be there, current version also will be there. And also we have seen that how to install the Eclipse and how to open also we have seen that. Okay, even Eclipse also we can have multiple instances of Eclipse. We can download multiple Eclipses and we can open multiple instances of Eclipse also. So when you're opening the Eclipse, the workspace should be vary. See, even my system also, how many Eclipse are there? See here, I highlighted 2 Eclipse are there. If you can observe clearly, the workspace are different. One is April 2022 W.
I cannot see the screen.
Sorry?
I cannot see the screen.
Yeah, I have shared the screen. Is it Gita?
Yeah, it's Geeta. I can see only the timer it's showing.
Timer down, we can see some Eclipse I highlighted. Observe. Down to the timer. See some Eclipses I highlighted.
Yes. Two Windows. Yeah.
2 Eclipses. Observe.
Yes.
I think madam. See, one is workspace. April 2022 WD. Another is January 2022 WD. 2 workspaces. Observe here.
Yeah.
2 Eclipse are there. See, one is this one. April. See how so many projects I created. Another Eclipse is this one. Jan 2022 WD. Like this, I can have multiple instances of Eclipse we can have in your systems, and the workspace should be vary. Okay, madam, I'm coming to you. Is that Savita, right? Yesterday in your system only we have installed, right, madam? Savita. I think you're on a mute, madam. Can you please unmute once? Savita. Okay, not issue. You can continue your system.
Hello, sir.
So, yes.
Hello. Sir, I have connected through mobile now. I need time to connect through laptop.
Okay, no issues. Go ahead. Okay. So,
Okay.
friends, once you download, it will be in a zip file, as everyone knows that. It will be in a zip file. See where it is. Let me see that. Yeah, it will be zip file. So we have to extract it. Let me show that. Copy. My space also is there. See, this zip file is there. I will extract it. So after extracting, you will be opening the Eclipse. Once you are opening Eclipse, it is asking the workspace. A default workspace is C, users, username. Eclipse-workspace is a default workspace. For the first time you're opening the Eclipse, from second instance of Eclipse you're opening, you should not take the same workspace. Different workspace we have to take. Okay, now, so n number of Eclipses we can have in your systems, no matter. Okay, you can open n number of Eclipses. See now, just a glance, I'm opening one more Eclipse, one more instance of Eclipse. I'm extracting. I'm trying to open now. Already 2 Eclipse I opened, right? A third Eclipse I am trying to open. Just give me a few minutes. I'll open that also.
So when I extracted, it is in my download file only, the folder. So that folder I have to copy in somewhere.
Yeah, your wish. You can copy anywhere, not a matter. Okay.
Okay.
You can copy anywhere. Your wish. let it get extracted. In meanwhile, we will start the course here. Fine. Now see friends, this is the Eclipse environment. So here we are going to be create a Java projects. Under the Java projects, we are going to be create a packages. Under the packages, we are going to be create a classes and interfaces. Okay, now classes, interfaces, abstract classes, everything we create inside this Java project package. Okay, now fine. Friends, if we want to create a project, how do we create? Go to the file menu in Eclipse. Go to file menu in Eclipse. New project. New project. Here you select the Java project option. Click on next button. Here you provide a project name. See, the workspace is April 2022 WD. In the D drive, it was there. In this workspace, I'm going to be store one project. Now create one project. June 2023. Okay. Okay. See what the project I've given. It was storing under the working directory D drive April 2022 WD. What is the workspace location you given? On that location, it's going to be store your newly creating project. If you want to store in some different location, yes, we can. Just this is a use default location. It is taking what we selected when you open Eclipse. That location, every project will be stored. If you don't want to store in this location, you want to store in different location, uncheck this and queue the browser and specify the location where this project needs to store. Understanding? Okay. Now, for every project to create, Java library should get associated. So friends, what I said, Java to use 11. Okay, now if you have 11, take 11. If you have 8, take 8. I always prefer to go with the 11 version. Okay, now go with the 11 version. Okay, I don't have 11. I think let me check. 11 is there. My system. Program files Java. 11 is there. I'm taking 11. So I will take 11. Okay, click on finish. For every project, Java libraries are getting associated. It's here. What happened? Something went wrong. 1 second. Let me delete. File, new project. Okay, this Java 11, what I'm taking, I'm having some problem, friends. I'll take 8 only. So, what is that? 2023, 6 p.m. batch. Friends, Java 11, I'm having some issue in my system. I need to install. I'm going with 8. Okay, na? Finish. Now see. So now we can see. Once you create a project, 2 folders will come. One folder is SRC folder. Another is the Java libraries folder. So what I select a version of Java 8, right? So Java 8 libraries are getting loaded. If you select 11 means Java 11 libraries will get loaded. Understanding? For every project you create, these two are the default comes. Okay, na? So under the project, what next we create? We create a package. Under the package, we create class and interfaces. Everything I'm following the syntaxes. I'm following the Java syntaxes. Yeah, let me show you. Friends, any product if you purchase will have some documentation. Right? Even if you purchase mobiles, automobiles, any electronic goods, any product you purchase will have some documentation for that respective product. What it contains. The document contains the product features and specifications. If you purchase any car car having its own specification document which contains the features of the car and specifications of that car. Yes or no? Even any watch, smart watch you take, any smart mobile you take, every goods will have its own specification document. A similar way, every software also will have its own specification document, like C language, C Sharp, Java, Ruby, Python, Scala, data science, DevOps. Every technology have its own specification document. What the documents contains? What the specification document contains, friends? Predefined libraries of that software. Yes or no? Of the technology. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A similar way, we are using Java. What language we are using? Java language. What is the version you are using? 11. If you are using 8 means 8 having its own specification document. 11 you are using means 11 having its own specification document. Similarly, if you purchase any iPhones, yes or no? iPhone 7, 11, 12, 13, 15, like this, we have versions are there. Every version have its own specification document or not? Similar way, for every language, Java, we have various versions. Every version have its own specification document. Version to version, some libraries are getting included, enhanced. Some new libraries are getting enhanced version to version. The specification document is varying version to version. Okay, na? Which version you are using? That documentation we need to follow. I am using 8 means 8 specification document I need to follow. If I am using 11 means 11 specification document needs to follow. See here, just search with the Java 8 API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Just search. Click on Overview Java Platform SEH. Here we can see that Java Platform Standard Edition 8 API Specification Document. Here, here we can see 3 sections are there. This is the first section, this is the second section, this is the third section. Here in the Java project 8, we have first layer as a packages. These are the packages. Various packages are there in the Java 8 project. If I click any of the package, in that package, we have some interfaces and we have some classes. These are all the predefined libraries defined by the Java 8. Yes or no? If I want 11, yes, you just search with the Java 11 API. Just click on Overview Java and see 11. See Java Platform Standardization for 11 API specification document. Here we can see. Here we can see the structure is changed here. Here we call as a modules. In the modules we have a packages. Okay, now here they are segregated. They are segregated as a modules. In the modules we have a various packages. A base module is there. Compiler module is there. Data transfer module is there. Desktop module is there. Like they have segregated as a modules. Okay, modules. Inside the models, the java.base is the base module. Any developer, any tester needs to know the concepts of java.base. Remaining modules not necessary. Base module is a base. Any small start learners and any experienced person, any automation test engineer must to work on the java.base. These are must. Okay, click on java.base. I clicked on it. Here we can see some set of packages are there. Java.io, Java.lang, Java.lang annotations, Java.mat, see Java.nio. Getting on? Getting friends? Okay. Okay. If I click on Java.io, IO stands for input output. All the reading writing libraries will be placed inside this java.io package. Click on it. Here we can see some interfaces and some classes. In 8 directly, in 8 what we have? Directly we have the packages. In the project directly we have packages. In the package we have a class and interface. But in the case of 11, we have a module. In the module, we have a package. In the package, we have a class and interface. Got it? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. So in the project, next we create as a package. If we want to create a package, we have to follow some naming standards, naming conventions. So first thumb rule for creating the packages, every package name should start with the lowercase letter. If you observe, everything starts with the lowercase only. Java, 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 J is a lowercase. Second thumb rule is should maintain starting package name as the project name, project domain name. So this is the Java project. That's why it is starting with the Java, 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 Java like this. Okay, na? If you are working for ICSA project, give starting package name as a ICSA, ICSA, ICSA. If working for Kotak means starting package give as a Kotak. Okay, na? Yes. So if anybody sees that yes, these libraries are belong to the Java, these libraries belong to the Kotak, these libraries are belong to HDFC, like this easily can understand. Okay, yeah. Second thumb rule is maintain the company name or project name, whatever you're working for. And third thumb rule is every package name should maintain as a dotted structure. See java.applet, java.awt, java.awt.color. They're maintaining dotted structure. So is there any reason behind maintaining dotted structure means? Yes, there is a reason. Java.applet is that means it maintains internally subfolders. Java is one folder, applet is one subfolder. Inside the applet subfolder, we can find this interface and classes. Even java.io is there. Java is one folder, IO is one subfolder. Under the IO, we can see this interface and classes. See, like how in the system, if you want to store a movies of different languages, how you organized? Everyone know E drive is our favorite drive, entertainment. In E drive, we will make one folder called movies. We never stop there. We will have subfolders like English, Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi. We never stop over there. Inside every language, we create subfolders. In English movie folder, if I go inside, I like create a horror movie, action movie, comedy movie, romantic movie. Like this, I create subfolders. Why? Why I create like that? Why I create like that? For easiness. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if I come from office, I want to refresh my mindset. So I want to watch some English comedy movie. What I do? Go to the E drive, go to the English, go to the English comedy movie folder. Then you pick one of the comedy movie folder. Comedy movie. Yes or no? Easiness. In like how the library books are organized alphabetically, category based. Similar way, we are organizing our libraries in a package such a way. Okay, na? See, Java.io means in Java project, IO libraries will be there. IO stands for input output. All input output libraries, reading and writing libraries will be placed under this package. Java is one folder, IO is one subfolder. In the IO, we have all the reading writing libraries will be there. See, buffer input stream, buffer output stream, buffer reader, buffer writer, byte array input stream, byte array output stream. All reading writing libraries will be in this IO package as category based. Yes or no? Now, if I click on this package, we can see some classes interfaces. If we want to create a class or interface, here also we need to follow some naming conventions. If you observe buffered input stream, how many words are there in this? Buffered input stream, how many words are there? Come on, friends. In buffered input stream, how many words are there?
3.
Words are there.
Sorry?
3 words: buffer, input, and stream.
Buffered, input, stream. 3 words are there. If you can observe, buffered B caps, input I caps, stream S caps is there. Noticed?
Yes, sir.
Even buffer output stream also. Buffered B caps, output O caps, stream S caps. So it follows
Okay.
camel
Yes.
case. Every word, starting character will be a uppercase character. That's called camel case. Not only classes, even for interface also. See data input, data D caps, input I caps. File filter, file F caps, filter F caps. So if you want to create a class or interface, we should follow the camel case. How many words you want to create interface or class, your wish. But every word starting character must be the upper character. That's called as a terminology camel case. Okay, now let's try to create a package under the project. Right click on a project. On which project you want to create a package? Right click on a project, new package. So this is a project under the SRC folder. We are going to be create a package. So the package name should be start with the lowercase. If I give uppercase means no error, just gives the warning. What it says? Discourage package name. By convention, package name usually starts with a lowercase letter, not with uppercase. Okay. And second thumbnail is maintain the project name, starting domain as a project name. Okay. Suppose you're working for HDFC gives domain name and the starting should be lowercase. Two thumbnails is followed. Next, third thumbnail is dotted structure. In HDFC, we have a main module as loans, give as a loans. In HDFC project, we have a main module called loans. That's why given as a dot loans. Again, in the loans, we have subcategories are there. What are there? Car loans, home loans, mortgage loans, personal loans, education loans, like this. Like this, we will define the packages. HDFC project, in that loans as a one module and car loans as a sub module. Under the car loans, we will have all the car loans related class and interfaces. Easiness, right? Now, I want to create one more package. Can I create one more package in the same project? Can I create more than one package project? Yes, I can.
we can.
See here. See, so many packages are there in Java project. Yes, in project also we can have multiple packages. Just right click on your project, again new package. Now you create HDFC dot loans dot home loans. Like this, I can create n number of packages. Friends, for first time you right click on project and create a package, no doubt. From second time onwards, no need to right click on project. I will tell you one workaround to save the time. On existing package, right click, new package. Simply you change in the last, that's it. Education loans, car loans, education loans, home loans. Like this, in one project, we can have multiple packages. How internally represents means as a folder. If you want, I can tell. You know the workspace location, physical workspace location of your project, manually you can open it. If you don't know, you forgot, nothing to worry. Right click on your project, properties. In the resources here, in the resources, if you highlight, there we can see location, D drive, April 2022 WD. This is the project June 2023, 6 p.m. batch. You just click on this arrow mark, it routes to your project working directory. It's came or not? See here. If we go inside, SRC is a folder. Inside SRC, HDFC is one folder. Loans is one subfolder. Inside we have car loans, education loans, home loans folders. Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, inside the package, what next we create? Inside the package, what next we create, friends?
Class.
Class and interfaces. Yes. If we want to create a class or interface, we must follow the camel case. How many words you want to give for class or interface? Your wish. But should follow the camel case. Camel case.
Uppercase.
Each word should start with the starting character as a uppercase.
Okay.
Now, package you want to create a class or interface, you right click on that package. New class, new class. If I give lowercase, see getting some warning. Observe here. Java type name usually starts with the uppercase character. So FIRST. First F caps, class C as a caps. Now see here, every class you create, the default access modifier will be the public. For every class you create, default access modifier will be the public. And for every class you create, super class always be the object class. Tell me friends, first class is a user defined class, predefined class.
User defined.
User defined or predefined?
User defined.
Yes, we have defined this class, that's called as a user defined. Predefined class means, see, already Java has some set of libraries. These are called these are predefined libraries. Okay, na? Predefined classes. So our defined is a user defined. For user defined classes, default access modifier is public, super class is object class. Not only for user defined, even for predefined class also the same. See here, I'm clicking one of the class. See, buffer input stream class I'm clicking. See, what is the access modifier for this class? Public. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And who is the super class for the buffer input stream class? Object class. Yes or no? Take any other. Take console class. What is the access modifier for this console class? Public. What is super class for the console class? Object class. Any class you take, buffer writer if you take, access modifier is public, super class for this class is a object class. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
for every class you create, the default access modifier will be the public, and
Public.
super class will always be the object class, even for predefined class or user defined class. Okay. Next, for every class you create, we'll have a main method. For every class we create, we will have a main method. If you want to execute your class, we must have a main method, which is nothing but public static void main string args. Public static void main string args. Check this checkbox and click on finish. So this is the class. Observe. Public class, first class is the class, open close curly brackets of the class. Inside we can see the main method, public static void main string args. So if you want to run this class, just click on this run button. Play run button is right. Run first class.java. Just click on it. Nothing will happen because for every class, the starting execution point is a main method, but inside the main method, there are no statements for there. Can we find any statements inside this main method? No, right?
No, sir.
Statements are there.
No.
That's why nothing is executed. So let's print something in the main method. Friends, if you want to print something in C language, we use what we use? C out. No. Printf, I think, printf. In C++ language, if you want to print something, we use a C out is a command. If we want to print something in Java, we use a command called system.out.println.
Printer.
System.out.println. Friends, a shortcut. In every word, starting characters NF to type. In system, SYS. Next out, OUT. Immediately give the control space. Immediately give the click on control space. That's it. Sys out control space. Complete structure system.out.println. Now inside double quotations, give some message. Hi. Save the program. The top right, save it and run this program. In console, we can see the hi message coming or not.
Sir.
Like this. Can I have more than one class in this package? Carlos package. First class I created. Can I create one more class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's see how many classes are there. So many classes are there. Yes, we can also create a number of classes. Let me create one more class just by right clicking on the package. New class. In which package you want to create the class, right click on that package. See in the Carlin's package, I right click, so it come here. Here we give the class name. Standards we have to follow. Second class. For every class we create, access modifier is public. Superclass is always object class. Next, public static void main string args. Friends, I'm not checking this. I'm just clicking on finish. Only class got created without main method. If I want to execute this second class, will it execute? Run this.
No.
What happening? Displaying the previous class executed results high is showing, which means, see, for every car, how it is having an engine. Car has an engine. Maruti car has an engine. Swift Desire has an engine. Okay. BMW car has an engine. Every car has its own engine. The similar way, every class will have its own method, main method. Okay. So main method is the engine for every class to execute. Okay. So friends, I didn't check the main method. I didn't check the main method. Okay, na? That's why main method was not there in the second class. So do I need to type completely public static void main string args means? No, not required. So what is the method name here, friends? What is the method name here?
String arguments.
No, main is a method name. Main
Main
is a method name.
method.
So just you type here main and just give control space. Click on it. Came right? Okay, now just give type main control space, then click on it. So main structure will come. Okay, now. Now, if you want to print any statement, if you want to print any message, what is statement we use?
System.out.println.
System.out.println.
Shortcut is sys out control
Sys.
space. Hello. Just right side top, we can click on save and click on run. Hello is coming. Observe. Understood till here?
Sir.
Next, friends, most of the people will have some doubt here. So,
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, go ahead.
Sir, why high doesn't come, sir? Why, sir?
Sorry.
High that before which we print high, sir.
In first class.
Yes, sir. In first class.
If you run first class means we'll get a high message. If you run second class means we get a low message. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, friends, we are creating all our projects, packages, and classes under the Package Explorer tab. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If we don't have this, suddenly it is not appeared, it's not displayed there. You may have a doubt, Ravi. You have created project, packages, classes, but when my turn come in my system, I don't see this Package Explorer. So don't worry. If that Package Explorer window is not displayed, means nothing to worry. In your Eclipse, we can see Windows option is there. Observe here, Windows menu. Notice Windows menu. Show view.
Yes, sir.
Just click on Package Explorer. So now it's going to be open. Yes or no? If accidentally, if it is closed or if it is not open, nothing to worry. Go to the window menu, show view, click on Package Explorer. It gets open. Okay, now. Next. Sometimes font is very small, font is very big. If you want to increase or decrease the font, Control plus to increase the font, Control minus is to decrease the font. Control plus to increase, Control minus is to decrease the font. Okay, now. Now tell me, in this class, how many methods are there? In the second class, how many methods are there?
1.
One method, which is main method.
Main
Like this,
method.
we can have many methods. We can have many functions, many behaviors. Let me have some more public void some m1. I can have like this. Any operations you want to define, every operation will be defined inside these methods only. Okay, now every operation will be defining inside this methods only. M1, M2, M3, M4, 5, and M6. So how many methods are there? 7 methods. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and main method. Totally 7 methods are
7
there.
method.
Of course, here hardly we can see 40 lines of code. Yes or no? In real time, if you build any programs, we'll have hundreds lines of codes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you have hundreds, 500 lines of code is there, in that we have so many methods are there. You are searching for some method in the class. In hundreds lines of code, where exactly your method is there, it will be difficult to find out or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how can we, is there any workaround to find exact method? What you're looking for means, yes, there is a workaround. So here you click on Control O. Control O. Outline window opens. Yes or no? So here we can see in this class. So the current project, what package? We are in the one class, second class. The second class is there in the package car loans. In this class, we have these methods M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and main method. If you want to go to any particular method, we can watch here and we can click. If you want to go to the main method, you just click on main. It went to main or not? Useful or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Control O. If you want to go to the M2 method, yes, Control O and find M2 is there. Yes, click on M2. It goes to the M2. Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
It's called outline window. Outline window. Same outline window. We can also see window show view. Here we can see outline. See coming right? M6, M1, M5, M2, main. If I click, it jumps to the respective method. Useful or not? Okay. Next. Now, friends, here we have API documentation. Here we have so many predefined libraries are there. These libraries we will use in our current projects. Yes or no? These are predefined libraries defined by the Java community. We'll be using in our current projects. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Suppose if I want to use any one of the library, suppose file input stream. This is one class. I want to make use in my current project. Yes, I can use it. In the main method here. A file. Friends, here in file input stream, how many words are there? Tell me.
3.
3 words. File, input, stream. Friends, here also, if I want get that exact library use means here also shortcut. File input stream. In every word, starting 3 characters need to type. Enough. File, a file, input, inp, str, control space. Nothing is coming. Why it is not coming? Camel case. File f caps, input I caps, stream s caps.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Follow right? File f caps, inp I caps, stream s caps. Now you give control space. It came or not?
Yes, sir.
It filtered. If I give only file control space, so many are coming. To filter out in the class name file input stream, file file input INP, stream STR, control space. It filtered. Yes or no? It got filtered. See, whenever I'm using this library, this is predefined library or not? File input stream.
Yes, sir.
Predefined.
Predefined
This file input stream
library.
class is present in which package?
Eclipse.
In IO package. Yes or no? In IO package only, we have this class called file input stream. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, when I'm using that library, this corresponding package also got imported. Observe.
Yeah.
Friends, when you're traveling from India to US, you will carry that passport or not for reference.
Yes.
Similar way, when you're using the predefined libraries, the corresponding package has to be import. Import or not? Hmm? File output stream. See, friends, okay. Here we can see file output stream class I used, that import file got imported. File input stream class that also got imported. Okay, now, friends, now I am deleting. Okay, I'll do one thing. Okay, I'm deleting the file output stream. Here I'm deleting the file input stream. Okay. Now see, friends, here I'm getting error for file input stream. Why I'm getting error? To import the package.
Yeah.
File input stream is presented in java.io package. That package I removed here. And file output stream class I deleted, but unwantedly the import file is there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here what I'm trying to say here means conclusion. Here I want to import the package. Yes or no?
Yes.
And here output stream this package is not required. Here I need to remove it. Wanting import should be imported, unwanting import should be get removed. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This is wanting import. Import has to be happen there. And the unwanted import should be removed. If this should be happen means what to do? Control Shift O. Control Shift O. See, friends, for file input stream error went off. What happens for this? File input stream import got imported. File output stream got removed. Unwanted import, right? That got removed. What is the shortcut? Control Shift
Shift
O.
plus O.
Yes, Control Shift O. Wanting imports will get imported. Unwanting imports will get imported. Removed. Okay, now. Now, one more example I'll tell you. Friends, here in the Java, there is one class is there, date class. If you want to print a system date and time, there is one class is there, date class. I do control clicker. See how many are coming, friends? 2 date class are there in different packages. Understanding?
Yes.
Here, date is from java.sql package is there. Date class java.edit package also is there. Yes or no? See here, if I give like this, we're getting error. Why we are getting error? Because we need to import the package. So what the shortcut I said to
Control
use?
Shift O.
Control
Control Shift O.
plus Shift plus O.
I'm getting like this. Observe. Earlier for input stream, output stream, I never get like this. For this date class, I'm getting like this because the same class is then different package. It will get like this. From which we have to take? From this. Wherever this date you want, from which package, that we have to select here. See, date. It's taken from little package or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everyone getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have ran the script, some output came. Okay, suppose you close the console output. You have closed the console output, but you want to see the results of this current execution in the console. You have closed the console. How do you open the console window? Just go to the window menu, show view, console. If you want to open Package Explorer, if you want to open console window, yes, same. See, I'm closing this Package Explorer, closing this console. I want these both the tabs where I can open, go to window menu, show view, console. If you want Package Explorer means go to window menu, show view, and the Package Explorer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Till here, everyone is clear?
Yeah, clear.
Everyone. Okay. Friends, that's it for today. Next class will be on Monday. Monday to Friday is the sessions. Next class Monday. We'll have a new link. Please check your mails before you join. Okay, na?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead.
under package we can use different classes with different outputs, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what the main purpose of package, sir? Under same package we can use different classes and with different output.
See, why we are using packages? I said here.
Sir, actually I miss class. I joined late, so sir.
Lady. See,
Yes, sir.
example to understand. You want to store your movies of different languages, of different categories. You want to
Okay,
manage
okay,
your
yes.
as a category. How you do? The same here. Suppose you
Okay,
want to store the movies of English movies or Telugu
okay,
movies.
okay,
Hindi.
sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
In E drive, you create movies folder. Under the movies
Hmm.
folder, we create subfolders called English, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi. Under the English
Hmm.
folder, we create a horror movie folder, comedy movie folder, romantic
Yes,
movie
sir.
folder, horror movie like this. How we create
Yes, sir.
subfolders for
Hmm.
easiness. A similar way,
Yes, sir.
the package also.
Uh-huh.
See, Java type of means Java is one folder, IO is one subfolder. In the IO subfolder, all the reading writing libraries will be presented. Understood?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any more?
I have a doubt. Like we
Yes.
installed Eclipse like 2 versions, right? So you told you'll show us how to open the second one.
Okay, fine. So I think I have did it. Yes, here I have extracted the Eclipse. It came here. Just click on it, Eclipse. Here we can see from down to third one, blue color ball Eclipse is there. Blue color Eclipse. You just double click, it will get open. So when I'm opening this Eclipse, it will be asking the workspace. It will be asking the workspace. This instance of Eclipse, using which workspace you want to launch. It is loading. Yeah, see here. See username Ravi, Eclipse workspace. Like this, it is asking. If I click on launch, I think with this workspace already some Eclipse got open. It will not open. If you want change the workspace, see every instance of Eclipse workspace should be different. Okay, na? I'm clicking on browse wherever you want. I want a D drive. Okay, here I'm creating one new folder. New folder June 2023 WD. This is a workspace which I created. Here. Use this as a default and do not ask me again. For every time you open Eclipse, it never asks when you click on this checkbox. Click on launch. Okay, this is Eclipse opens. This is a welcome screen, just close. This is what the Eclipse. Got it? See, workspace is what? June 2023 WD. See how many instances of Eclipse I'm having? 3 instances. One is April 2022 WD, another is Jan 2022 WD, another is June 2023 WD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But if workspace we are created, for example, you have 3, you want to open particular like version like 23. So we have to save that like a shortcut for the desktop.
Sorry?
We have to create a shortcut for the desktop so that we can open 23 or 22.
You want a shortcut?
Yeah, because I have 2 Eclipse already. I have 22.
So you just drag here.
Okay.
Drag this to wherever you want.
Mm-hmm.
This one you drag it to desktop taskbar wherever you want. You can drag it.
Okay, so
Okay.
I can use anything like 22 or 23.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. See, I have the Eclipse installed in D drive test Eclipse. Here I clicked it. And some other, I have some more, right? Those are dumped in somewhere else. Where it is, another is in a D drive. In softwares, one more is there. Here I'll go and I will open. Understanding, madam?
Yeah.
Every Eclipse instance is separate.
Okay.
Go to that where that is there. You go there and open it.
Okay.
Shortcuts are, you drag this Eclipse, keep in desktop, use some name. This is there. You drag somewhere in the desktop, you give it some name. Otherwise, if I cannot confuse. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah, understood.
Okay. It's clear,
Thank
friends?
you.
Yeah,
Yes.
next
Yes,
class, same timing. Maybe link may be changed. I think. I don't know. Please check your mails
Yes.
before time. Okay, na?
And
Okay,
so when will get recorded sessions?
So once you done your payments, you'll get the recorded videos. You'll get that GitHub link, the recordings. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Have
Thank
a
you,
nice
sir.
day. If any of your friends are looking for trainings, please refer to join them. Okay, na? This batch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you,
Yeah.
friends. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.